Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Technologies, and we are back with one more video of Power BI, which is chapter 5. In this video, we are going to learn about model view in detail. So without further delay, let's start today's topic. I'm going to import data from Excel and I'll be using the file which is test. There are three sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. I'm going to select these three sheets all together. Instead of clicking on load, I'm going to click on transform data. This is going to take us to Power Query Editor, and in sheet 1 there are few rows which has no value. We are going to remove it. I'll be going in remove rows and then I'll be choosing remove blank rows. We had made a detailed video of this. If you missed any case, you can go and can watch it. I'm going to follow the same process for sheet 3. It also has null rows and remove blank rows. Afterwards, I need to click on close and apply. This is report view, this one is table view, and we are going to learn about model view today. This is sheet 3, which is the fact sheet or data sheet, because it has some column headers which is also there in sheet 1 and sheet 2. And sheet 1 and sheet 2 is also known as dimension tables because it has the column headers which is there in sheet 3. I'm going to drag and drop the profit to sheet 3, and this pop-up box will open. You can simply click on save, and if you want to change something, you can also make some changes. You can see the bond here. I'm going to minimize it. Now this month number, I'm going to drag and drop it to sheet 3. Again, the pop-up box will open. It is showing from table 2 to table 3, many to 1 to 1 to many, and many to many. These are different types of cardinalities which shows the relationship between these two tables. And this is single, sheet 2 to 3, and then sheet 3 to 2, and then both. Many to many, it's okay, and we can simply click on save. This is profit. Once we click on this font, we can see the links of different columns related to these two tables. And when we click on it, we can see this added relationship dialog box where we can again change if we want to make any changes. After editing, we can simply click on save. If you want to delete something, we can right click and delete and properties option will come. This pop-up box will come where you can simply click on yes. It is deleted now. Similarly, you can go back to the report view, table view, model view. So I'll be going back to report view now. And from here, you can again start making your report. This is how you can build connections between different tables. I hope you liked today's video, and we are going to come up with much more interesting topics. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.